So robotics is playing an increasingly significant role in our everyday life, all the way from traditional collaborative manufacturing situations to things like autonomous driving cars, the healthcare industry, and even outer space. So if you think about what are the real scientific questions that one needs to ask to enable robots to become a companion for many of our tasks, the key question is, when we and the robots work together, how do we share control with the robotic systems? How much autonomy do we give the robots, and how much do we have humans still in the loop making the key decisions? If you want to know more about these questions and look at some of the exciting work that's going on with robots like the Valkyrie, the NASA robot, the NASA humanoid, and the quadruped animal that's used for offshore inspection, come to the talk at the New Scientist Live on September the 30th, the most exciting show on earth.